This video is an introduction of the Rittal TSIT rack. The TSIT rack is a fusion of rack and accessories. It provides flexibility in design of rack architecture with fast assembly and tool-free installation. Adjusting the 19-inch distance between levels is made easy with snap-in technology and consistent track unit labeling on angles. The TSIT rack features divided side panels which are easy to handle because of its reduced size and weight. The following topics will be covered in this training module: TSIT rack versions, and how they differ. General features of the TSIT rack, such as load capacity and door openings. How to fit the 19-inch mounting angles. Mounting the side panels and the latch mechanism. How to attach the pull-out component shelves, and depth variable slide rails. You will also see how easy it is to mount the new PDUI, power distribution units, in the TSIT rack. Or, for a modular power distribution solution, mounting of the PSM Busbars. We will take a look at the roof of the TSIT rack, and show its generously sized cable entries. Cable management is made easy with the TSIT rack, with a number of useful accessories. Finally, we will look at the base mount and gland plates. And the training module will finish off with showing the air baffle plates, which are designed to maximize the airflow through the rack-mounted equipment. There are only two versions of the TSIT rack. Glazed door, for rack climate control. And vented door, for room climate control, with an 85% perforated surface area. Both variants include two 19-inch mounting levels up to 1500 kilograms, large, side cable entry in the roof, two-part rear door, with heights starting at 1800 mm, 4-point lock, with comfort handle, for customized locks at the front and the rear, 180-degree hinges on both sides, potential equalization kit and 19-inch assembly parts. The front bar is inserted into the pitch pattern, while the rear bar is freely positionable, so that any required distance between the 19-inch levels can be achieved. Adjust the distance from the front door to the first 19-inch level. Simply loosen the attachments. Position. Latch home, and it's done. Positioning the rear 19-inch mounting level is equally straightforward. The consistent labeling allows easy orientation, vertically and horizontally. The TSIT rack features divided side panels which are easy to handle because of its reduced size and weight. The divided side panel allows simple one-man assembly. The side panels are equipped with standard Rittal locks. An additional latch mechanism prevents unauthorized opening. The component shelves can be fitted in seconds using tool-free installation. Complexity is reduced with merged functions, and only two depths, 400 to 600 mm, and 600 to 900 mm. Installation of the pull-out component shelf begins with locating the telescopic slide in the top hole of the chosen height unit at the rear. The bar is then extended to the relevant size and located into position with self-locking. Finally, the component shelf is located into position. Component shelves for a static installation likewise adapts to the prescribed distance between levels with variable depth. The component shelf can be secured against removal with a clip. Like the telescopic slides, the depth variable slide rails are located into the rear upper hole, extended to the required size, and located sideways into the 19-inch section at the front. All three holes on the front are available for screw fastening equipment. The bar may optionally be secured with a screw to prevent removal. The slide rail for a static installation is simply located and secured with a screw. The TSIT rack accommodates the new PDUI in the 0U space between the 19-inch level and the side panel, offering space-saving, tool-free assembly for 600 and 900 mm rack width. The new busbar is installed in the rear 19-inch level without using tools. Baying the second bar is equally straightforward, with the help of a baying clip. The space-saving positioning of two busbars on the left and right is also possible in the 600 mm wide enclosure, even with a fitted side panel. Alternatively, the busbar may also be screw-fastened to the system couchings. The Rittal PSM Busbar is a flexible power distribution solution, allowing gradual expansion of the PDU, through addition of slot-in PSM modules. The PSM busbars can be bayed without tools. Assembly kits are included with the supply, for various attachment positions to the TSIT rack. With the new installation bracket, tool-free installation of the PSM bar is achieved using snap-in technology. The TSIT rack roof has maximum space for cable entry and free accessibility from the rear. High flexibility ensures sensitive cables are not damaged. Cable clamping is attached directly at the depth stay or the enclosure frame. The multi-piece gland plate can be withdrawn retrospectively. Every TSIT roof plate offers the option of retrofitting an external fan module without encroaching into the rack interior. Alternatively, passive ventilation of the rack is possible by raising the cover plate. The side brush strips in the roof allow large connectors and large quantities of cables to be routed into the rack. Cables can be secured directly beneath the cable entry. The front system punchings may be used to easily accommodate the cable fingers, also possible with air partitioning. The cable route for vertical R-routing is easily secured to the frame section with snap-in technology. The cable duct is likewise mounted on the 19-inch section using snap-in technology. The cover is secured with a single click. The TSIT also offers the option of retrofitting gland plates after rack assembly. The air baffle plates are used to separate the cold and hot zones inside the enclosure. They are secured using snap-in technology. For optimal air routing when using an LCP, the air baffle plates are simply rotated. Additional vertical height units in the air baffle plates provide extra assembly space. Ground air partitioning is achieved using a brush strip. Cable clamp rails in the depth is still possible. The magnetic tape is used to cover the front system punching for complete air partitioning. The TSIT rack is quick to assemble with completely tool-free installation. The return on investment is maximized with the capabilities offered by the TSIT rack. With load capacity up to 15,000 Newton, it supports even the heaviest IT equipment. And with a depth of up to 1200 mm, it accommodates the deepest hardware. The TSIT rack feature individual configuration, high load capacity, and variable interior installation. Tool-free installation. Intelligent cable management. With a multifunctional roof with cable entry down the sides, for maximum convenience, and unhindered air circulation for active components. Fast side panel assembly. Divided side panels, with quick fastenings, integrated locks, and additional internal latching. Convincing door concept. Glazed doors for high-performance server applications with liquid cooling, or vented doors for room climate control. Divided rear doors, from a height of 1800 mm, for optimized space utilization. Intelligent accessories. The new TSIT concept ensures fast and simple selection of the system accessories. Built-in added value for the 19-inch system. Direct, space-saving clip mounting of the new Rittal PDU Busbar, in the rear 0U space. And tool-free, front-side integration of cable management and dynamic rack control. Simple positioning. Labeling of the height units and pitch pattern in the depth, for simple determination of the 19-inch level spacing. The TSIT rack can easily be bayed to form rows in a large data center. Or, it can be used on its own as a freestanding data center in a rack solution. parts, such as the divided side panels, are ordered separately, making it easy to equip the rack according to your needs. The version with a perforated door is suitable for an air-conditioned environment, while the glazed door would typically be used with a rack cooling solution, such as the Rittal Liquid Cooling Package, or LCP. Cable management is made easy with the TSIT rack. Cables can easily be secured to the 19-inch mounting angles of the TSIT rack, using Velcro straps, which are provided as an accessory. There is also a wide range of other accessories to help with cable management. In a large data center, where the racks are bayed together in rows, you may only want to fit side panels at the end of each row. Feeding power or data cables through the roof is made easy with large cable entries. The Rittal LCPs are seen mounted in between racks. The Rittal LCP is a perfect match with the TSIT rack, and offers an efficient cooling solution in a space-saving arrangement. In this training module, we've covered the following topics. TSIT rack versions, which come with either vented or glazed doors. General features of the TSIT rack. And fitting of the following parts and accessories. 19-inch mounting angles. Divided side panels. Pull-out component shelves. Depth variable slide rails. The new PDUI, power distribution unit, and mounting of the PSM Busbars. We have looked at the roof of the TSIT rack, and shown how cable management is made easy with useful accessories, such as cable fingers. We also covered the base mount and gland plates, and finally the air baffle plates, with brush strips and vertical height units, all of which are mounted using tool-free installation. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your TSIT racks from Rittal.